Hey guys, name's Danny Bro. Today we're going to do another top 5. Today's video is another top 5 favorite Nerf guns. Yep, it's another, so let's just get to it. Alright, number 5. The Double Breach. Yeah, it's a breach loading system blaster, but it's incredible. It's literally, despite the breach loading system, it's beautiful. It's awesome. It's great. People don't like breach loading systems, but I don't either. But this looks beautiful. Has great performance too. It's a breach loading system blaster, but it's still a beauty. Alright, number 4. The Barricade. The Barricade is one of my favorites because, first of all, it's basically semi-auto, and you don't even have to rev. There's no rev trigger, which is awesome. My first flywheel blaster ever. It holds a cylinder, and it has a pretty high capacity. So yeah, the Barricade. Number 3 is the Slingfire. This is basically a Winchester but Nerf. You can do some sweet tricks with it. I got this from my friend Governor 101. Shout out to him right here. And yeah, he gave this to me as a birthday present because I kept using his, and he probably thought that if he bought another one that he would give it to me. He thought I would love it, and I do. So huge shout out to Governor 101 for giving me this. Number 3. I mean, no. Number 2. The new Scavenger. I got this from my mom and dad, and they bought it on Amazon, and it's sweet. Just like the Slingfire, but there's a little switch right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it turns on Slamfire. The trigger is not available on Slamfire because every time the lever comes back, it shoots like by itself. That's a pretty cool feature. Alright, the one and only number 1. The Demolisher. Yeah. Flywheel grenade launcher. Flywheel magazine fed grenade launcher. It's pretty sweet actually. It kind of does jam, but I don't give a crap because why not? And for attachment also, stock attachment that holds the thing, holds the rockets, and yeah, it's pretty sweet, great performance, and yeah, it's awesome, it's beautiful, it's great. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smack that like button and beat it hard or something like that. And so, huge shout out to Governor 101 right here. And so, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye!